Just a day of labour had transformed the Rascals. But whose engineering was best? Before the drifting competition started, I wanted to practice and sought advice from my expert advisor.
James, I'm about to go out, first lap. Any last words of advice, what should we be doing?
Excellent. Well, basically, nice and fast. Give it a good kick on the clutch and a violent yank on the steering as you come in, and I'm sure the rest will all come to you.
That does not sound like good advice.
Drifto! This is amazing! I'm drifting a Bedford Rascal! Yeah! Drifto!
Oh, sugar!
OK, so Drifto and Contacto with Barrio. Do you get points for barrier contact? Surely you don't. Drifto!
That is all kinds of fun!
That looked really good fun, actually.
That looks... if you can stop it spinning, and the bouncing is quite weird.
Are you getting a lot of
There's a lot of bounce. And you have to clutch kick it.
Do you?
It won't do it otherwise. It won't do it off the handbrake. You just have to clutch kick it.
What happens if you
just go like this all the way around and it just makes the back go, and then it comes around.
Time for the fun to stop. The course was soaked to create the perfect drifting surface.
The idea is we're going to use half the course. Going to be marked by our two drift experts, Phil and James, out of 100 points. The idea is you've got to come in and you've got to be as sideways for as long as possible and as controlled as possible and as sideways as you can get angle-wise, yeah?
And not spin, otherwise you become a dizzy rascal.
Yeah.
Anyway, look, I'm going to get on with it, right?
Yeah, go on then.
Here we go.
Here we go. In.
Give it a flip.
Understeer.
Bit of understeer.
And the roll. Spin-all.
A spin, 0.
0?
Yeah.
Absolutely not.
Unfortunately.
Oh, nice.
Straight.
Straightening up there.
Understeer.
And another spin.
At least it's spinning in style.
Drifto!
95, that was really good.
Drifto!
95, that's a
tell you what, though.
It's got there. Yeah.
Welded diff is fairly honourable.
Absolutely.
Somehow, Tom had built the near-perfect drift car. I had 95 out of 100 to beat.
Phil, he's done reasonably well, which troubles me. Any advice you can give me?
Well, something called shift lock.
Shift lock?
Yeah, if you can get into third down the straight,
Yeah, third.
keep the revs low and just quickly slide it into second gear with the clutch.
Right.
And then you should just be able to light up the wheels afterwards.
And light up the wheels?
Indeed.
Oh, yeah. He chuckles.
Time for practice, then.
Oh, full commitment on the first corner.
Into the wall!
Riding over the bumps was not honourable. Some part of my precision engineering had broken.
Oh, that's it. He's gone. Broken his front suspension.
Oh, he just smashed it off, hasn't he?
It's quite broken.
Is it?
Yeah. I would say that's pretty badly broken.
That's pathetic.
It's bust.
I believe that's our steering arm.
I haven't even warmed up.
Yeah. You turned in to the bumps.
Yeah, I don't quite know why I did that. I'm trying to remember. Sugar.
That's day over.
I'd brought great dishonour upon the plucky little rascal. OK, so the now octagonal wheel could be swapped for a spare, but I felt sure the mechanical damage was terminal. All our hard work had been in vain. Only an honourable miracle could save us now.
There's a metalwork place just down the road, luckily.
Oh, look at that.
Took me some... It's hot, still hot.
That's still very hot. I've just burnt my hand.
It's just... Right, we're going to lob this on and get it all done.
Oh, we're back. We're back.
Drifting in Rascals, take 2.
Right, before you break it, again, I think you better do your judge lap. So get out there and do the best you can. I don't think it'll be enough. Here he goes, here he goes.
Remember, I've got 95 to beat here.
Oh, now that's pathetic.
Spin-off! Coming wide. Give it a kick.
Sideways! Oh, so close!
Oh, here we go.
Got it.
Hold it there, hold it there.
Oh, straight though. And he's off. Yes! He did it! That's got to be some marks there.
50 points?
No, that's way more than that. 90. Give him 90.
I think that was easily a 90.
That was a 90.
5 points off.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Blimey, you must have been blind.
I'd won the individual event, but it's all very well driving sideways when you're the only one on the track.
The pros compete in twin drifting, where you're marked on how stylishly you can power slide alongside a competitor. Maybe this would be my chance to shine. Although maybe I spoke too soon.
Oh, he's caught him up again. Oh, no!
OK. Didn't intend that to happen. Yeah. I've never really been in this sort of situation, so...
Johnny's rollover meant I was declared the world's first ever Rascal drifting champion.
He's not... See, he's hot-headed now, look. This cost me 15 quid.
Me and the Atom van celebrated in style, until...
Are you?
Yeah.
OK, sugar.
I'm hurt. Get me out,
What's the
please.
matter? What's happened?
My leg's broken.
Oh, no.
That was quite a shocker, actually, because I was showing off. To all you kids out there, never do a last lap.
Is it really hurting?
BP's 160 over 100.
That's because he had a stunt man. Hang on. Yeah. Am I allowed to touch the... Can I touch this part of your leg? No.
I wouldn't.
Bloody hell, man!
Sorry.
What are you doing?
I thought I could touch that.
Christ almighty!
Sorry, I thought I could tweak his toes as well, were you? Well, no, I knew his toes were hurt, but I didn't quite have it was all right.
I hope someone was filming it.
It did look good.
So who won then? Was it me or was it him?
I think it's fair to say that Tom won.
Do you?